One of these side hustles makes us $21,358 per week, and we didn't have to start with an audience, a physical product, or a huge budget. If you've seen our other channel, Molly Kaiser's, this is the kind of growth we're talking about here. If you're a woman who wants to ditch the 9-to-5, or simply build a second stream of income, these are the 5 most powerful ways to do so in 2026. Let's dive in. Want to build a long-term brand and make money at the same time? YouTube is one of the best ways to do both. YouTube allows creators to earn money through AdSense, brand deals, affiliate marketing, and digital product sales. Unlike social media posts that disappear after a single day, YouTube videos work for you 24/7, showing up in search results and suggested feeds for months and even years. You can get started with nothing more than your phone and some good natural lighting. Pick a niche that aligns with your knowledge and interests. This could be beauty, mom life, wellness, personal finance, or even just documenting your own journey. Upload one helpful, searchable video per week. These videos can be tutorials, reviews, or step-by-step guides. YouTube pays you a portion of ad revenue once your channel is monetized, which kicks in at 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But you do not have to wait until monetization to start earning money. What you can do is you can promote your own freebie or digital product right away, right off the bat. And also, brand deals might start to come in once you have a focused channel, and even small channels can land paid brand deals. You would really be surprised. Many creators earn between $3 and $30 per 1,000 views just from AdSense alone. Add affiliate income and digital product sales, and it can easily grow into a full-time income source. Yes, YouTube takes the longest time to build, but it's also the most scalable. Every video is a brand new opportunity to grow your brand and make money. So if you want an income stream that builds over time and does not require constant daily content, trust me on this one, YouTube is the way to go. What is one topic you would be excited to make YouTube videos about? Tell me in the comments below. And if you want to learn our entire process for creating and selling digital products with YouTube, along with copy scripts, Canva templates, and other done-for-you tools, be sure to check out our new free training linked in the description below this video. This is the side hustle that makes us $21,358 per week. Yep, you heard me right, per week. Digital products are assets you create once and continue to sell over and over again. These can be ebooks, workshops, templates, online courses, any educational resource that solves one specific problem. The best part is you do not need a large audience to get started. If you know something that can help others, even just one small skill or one small step-by-step process, you can turn that into a digital product. I always recommend starting with either an ebook or a live workshop. Ebooks are fast to create and you can deliver them instantly. And then workshops can be pre-sold before you even create them and then reused as a product over and over and over again. Platforms like System.io make it super simple to build a funnel. You start by offering your audience a freebie in exchange for their email address. Then you're going to send a sequence of emails that leads people to buy your product. This model works for all types of niches, not just businesses. You can teach about things like calligraphy, meal prepping, photography, parenting, wellness, and health, really anything that you have interest and knowledge in. Once your product and funnel are fully built, the whole thing then gets to run on autopilot. Sales can come in while you're sleeping, while you're at the beach, while you're traveling, or even while you're spending that really important time with your kids. That is the kind of leverage that digital products give you. Do you see why they're so good? Digital products are my #1 recommendation because they give you full control over your income and your schedule. That is true freedom right there. Time freedom is everything. You create the product once, you own it forever, and then guess what? You're also helping people while you create financial freedom for yourself. What could be better than that? So if you're looking for the most powerful way to start earning online, trust me, this one is it. No audience, no problem. UGC pays you to make content for brands without ever having to post on your own social media accounts. UGC, or user-generated content, is when brands pay regular people like you to create content that they can use in their ads and on their social media. And the absolute best part here is you do not have to create a following at all. This is an incredible side hustle. If you enjoy being on camera, taking photos, making product videos, and if you are somebody that is super creative, but you don't necessarily want to be the face of your own brand. You don't necessarily want to post for everybody to see on your own social media accounts and worry about that. Basically, you create clips that are between 15 and 60 seconds of a product showing how it works, how it fits into your lifestyle, or even just simply why you like it. There's so many different kinds of videos you can create. Brands use that content in their paid ads because it feels way more authentic to their audience. Something like that is way more authentic than polished commercials and those typical ads that you normally see. You can charge anywhere from $100 to $1,000 plus per video, depending on the brand and the entire scope of the project. So if you have no experience in this and you just want to start, I always recommend creating 3 to 5 demo videos. These videos are going to showcase your skills, and the thing is, you do not have to go out and buy products to do this. You can simply take a few products that you use consistently, that you love, that you enjoy, that you feel confident about expressing on camera, and create videos with those products that are already around your home. We're thinking no paid work here because we need to build a portfolio to showcase to brands that you know how to create a product video. You can either add those to your portfolio and go ahead and send your portfolio out to brands when you do outreach, which I always recommend doing. Or you can take those specific videos for those specific brands and pitch those demo videos to the brand itself. Of course, you can directly email the brand, but you can also use UGC marketplaces. Some of the ones I like are Billow, Join Brands, and Trend. Once you get a few products under your belt, you can then go ahead and raise your rates and then even offer monthly retainers. This is one of the fastest side hustles to get started with because you do not need to build your own audience or even a business yet. You just need your camera, your products, and a little creativity. If you want to earn money without the pressure of being an influencer, UGC is a super low barrier start. You can work with brands you love, improve your content skills, and build a fun income stream that fits your lifestyle. Now, if you're already helping people in DMs or even groups, this side hustle is a no-brainer. Paid communities allow you to bring like-minded people together around a shared goal, and they pay you monthly to be a part of this group and this journey. Platforms like School make this super simple and easy to set up. You create one space that includes your community, your content, and even your digital products all in one. Think of it like a private clubhouse for everybody working towards achieving the same outcome. You can charge $29, $49, or even $99 per month, depending on the transformation that you are offering. With just 100 members at $49 a month, you're bringing in $4,900 per month in recurring revenue. That's consistent income that compounds, guys. That's huge. You do not need to overthink your content. A weekly post, a Q&A, or a Zoom call is often enough to keep everybody engaged and interested. The key is delivering a real value and building connection. If people are already asking for your advice or your guidance, this is a great way to monetize that support without one-on-one coaching. You can even pre-sell your community before you build it to validate the idea and bring in founding members. People love that. Once it's up and running, you have a built-in group of people that trust you and want to go even deeper. Memberships are one of the best ways to create recurring, stable income while building a super meaningful community. You can help people get results and get paid monthly. It's a no-brainer and a win-win. So far, I've shared 4 side hustle ideas and we've got one more really good one to go. But if you want to discover the perfect, profitable digital product for you, you can download our totally free Profitable Digital Product Discovery Bot. Email makes more sales than social media, 40 times more to be exact. An email newsletter is a way to stay directly in contact with your community and monetize through sponsorships, affiliate links, and your own products. Unlike social media platforms where the algorithm controls who sees your content, email gives you a direct line to your subscribers. You are the one that owns the list, and that is so important here. And because it's a trusted personal format, email consistently converts better than social media. To get started, you're going to want to go ahead and create yourself a freebie like a checklist or a guide and offer it in exchange for their email address. Then you're going to go ahead and send 1 email per week with tips, insights, or even behind the scenes stories. Once you've built the trust, you can start to include sponsors or include links to your own offers. Some creators earn $500 to $5,000 per newsletter. from sponsors alone, of course, depending on their niche and audience size. You can, of course, also promote your digital products or affiliate links for additional income. This is an incredible asset to build because, again, it works in the background while consistently nurturing and converting your audience without requiring a huge amount of content on your end. Email is one of the smartest and most underused income streams. It's not flashy, but it's reliable, high converting, and totally in your control. Build once and reap the rewards for years. Every single one of these side hustles is beginner friendly, scalable, and can be started in 2026, even with no audience. But if you ask me, digital products are the most powerful. They give you freedom, flexibility, and the ability to impact thousands. So what are you waiting for? And if you want to learn our entire process for creating and selling digital products, along with copy scripts, Canva templates, and other done-for-you tools, be sure to check out our new free training linked in the description below this video. Now that you know 5 side hustles that women can start in 2026, you might be wanting to learn 7 side hustles that students can start in 2026. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts by watching this next video here, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it is way more powerful. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.